quite a chill day today. So we'll be picking up our car. Just had the maintenance, so we'll pick it up at Honda. So busy day for the car. Kaka-maintenance lang ng kotse, so tumawag na sila, pipick upin ko na daw. So tingnan natin. Medyo malayo lang tong malayo lang yung service shop ng Honda doon sa mall. So lakad-lakad, exercise na rin. Masarap lang dito maglakad kasi malamig, pero pag gabi super lamig, so hindi na masaya. Pero ngayon kahit maaraw, nasa 5 degrees, so masarap maglakad, hindi nakakapagod. So ganyan ang buhay dito sa New Zealand. Tiisin mo lang yung lamig hanggang sa masanay ka na. But everything is like good in terms of the environment, fresh air, malinis na tubig, you can drink from the faucet. So by the way, wala pang bayad ang tubig dito, no? Sana wag nila maisipang singilin yung sumingil sa tubig. So ang binabayaran lang dito, electricity, yung mga wifi, pero yung tubig mo libre. Tapos hot and cold pa yon. Okay? So medyo malayo pa, mahaba pang lakaran, pero okay. So pag may time kayo, wow, time no? Pag may time kayo, visit New Zealand. Nandito lang ako sa Hamilton, puntahan nyo ako. Yun lang, bahala na kayo maghanap ng address ko. Hindi, punta kayo, you will enjoy it, contact me. So sa mga friends ko dyan sa Pinas, if you have time and if you're planning a vacation to go here, just call me, tawagan nyo lang ako and nilibot ko kayo. Okay? We're the down under from down under. Okay, so have a nice day. So once I pick up my car, balitaan ko kayo. Have a nice day. By the way, dito sa New Zealand, malawak yung sidewalk nila kasi merong pang pedestrian, tapos meron din pang bike. So pag nakita niyo yung red, yan yung pang pedestrian, at yung green naman, yan yung pang bike. So ganun ang pamamalakad nila, which is good.
Fully EV.
Yeah.
That's all the same. That's the same like yours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is like
It's a 5-seater. It's
Yeah.
a small car.
yeah.
Once the RV got the fully EV, I will let you know.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Okay, so tapos na maintenance. Morning.
How are you today?
Good. Sunny day. Can't complain. So, chika-chika lang yung mga yan. So, uwi na tayo. Okay na yung kotse. Maintain na nila. So, I can go anywhere na. Okay, nice day. Nice sunny day. So, drive na tayo. Okay mga kababayan, see you soon mga tropa. Kung makakapunta kayo dito, just reach out to me and we'll see each other. Take care guys, have a nice day. Yep, okay na tayo. Okay na kotse, it's running well. So, uwi na tayo. And meron ka ng safe ka na dahil yung kotse na maintain na. Okay? So, stay safe everyone. Alam ko maulan sa Pilipinas. Ingat kayo lagi. Sa dalawang anak ko dyan, Daddy and Mommy loves you so much and we miss you. Yun lang. Looking forward na pumunta na rin kayo dito. Not for vacation but long term na. Okay, so mga kababayan, salamat and take care.